Look at her. You never know how bad things were just a few months ago. You hear that? That's the sound of my wife getting a terrible night's sleep and being too tired to help around the house tomorrow. Here's a neat little game we like to play every night, where I apply just enough pressure to get her to stop snoring.
I'm trying to sleep, honey.
I should have listened to her college roommate's warnings. Around here, a good night's sleep is like Santa Claus or unicorns or polite political conversations on Facebook. It doesn't exist! For years, we were both constantly sleep deprived. Kim's not the only one who has to find alternative means of making it through the day without that deep, restful sleep. We went to our family doctor and learned that snoring is more than just an annoying habit. Didn't we have takeout yesterday? Dr. Jones said that snoring is a serious medical condition which can impact the quality of your overall health. Snoring has been associated with headache, sore throat, sleep apnea, chest pain, high blood pressure. I feel like I'm forgetting something.
He's never been this late.
And this is our favorite TV show. We tried everything. Medication, nose strips, magnetic therapy, a ridiculous looking head brace. Talk about being in the mood, am I right? We even Googled alternative remedies, which was so not helpful. Now the reviews online said that this shouldn't hurt a bit. Okay. So. No, honey, you gotta eat all of them. In the mouth. Ooh, I can smell it. Ooh, I can already smell it. The garlic only gave Kim's snoring a pungent Italian aroma. Kids, breakfast! Finally, we accepted defeat and brought home the dreaded CPAP machine, which Kim said was worse than all the others combined.
Mommy, I had a dream.
Did you say something? That was the last straw. And that's when I found the ad for the Vivos appliance. So, we made an appointment, and we found out that Kim's snoring was caused by a narrow airway. Let me explain. When you fall asleep, the muscles in the back of your throat relax, causing your airway to constrict. For people like Kim who already have a narrow airway, this leaves very little room for air to pass through, which causes vibrations or snoring. The Vivos appliance is a simple-to-use mouthpiece, kind of like a retainer, that gently expands the upper arches of your mouth, increasing the size of the nasal cavity, maximizing airflow volume, which reduces snoring and delivers more oxygen to the body. You simply put it in each night before bedtime and take it out in the morning. It's usually pain-free. In fact, she often forgets she's even wearing it. Here you go, guys.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Mila. Have a good day. Bye now.
Have a good day.
Now Kim wakes up happy and rested. And so do I. Yes, I do. Someone needs a change. Now she sleeps silently right through the night. And because it causes permanent structural change, she's also breathing better during the day. So she's seeing all kinds of health benefits. The Vivos appliance really has changed both our lives.
Hey, babe. It's been a while since we've spent time together.